to my channel. For those who are new, my name is Essa and I am crazy about DIY. So first of all, thank you for coming here today. Today was quite a challenge. A DIY that's supposed to take like 15 minutes or 30 minutes maximum has ended up taking me 5 hours because most of my tools just went missing somehow. My scissors went missing, my brush went missing, I couldn't find my paints, and I don't know how, but my room is quite a mess, so that kinda explains things. But still, not everything should go missing on the one day that you need them. So most of what I did today ended up being through the power of improvising. And let me just tell you, thank God for creativity, because sometimes you just have to be creative in the ways that you pull off things. So like, my hand is dirty, it's okay, because of stress of painting. Like, I didn't even bother to cover my hands because that's how frustrated I was. Anyway, as I was saying, thanks to, like, sometimes you have to be really creative about what you use for your DIYs, because not all the time you will have everything. Some things will be expensive, sometimes your things will go missing, like today. And let me just show you, for example, this is my lipstick here. Now I turned my lipstick into a sponge brush because I couldn't get anything that could remove that sponge effect, so I had to improvise. And necessity is the mother of invention. Yeah, that's a saying. So I had to create this, and let me tell you, first of all, it took me so long before I could come up with this because I was trying so many other types of sponges. I tried paper, I tried everything. My makeup brush, just so that I could have some kind of spongy effect, which I am really glad that I landed on this because it came out how I wanted. Though I wanted them to be circles, but it's still okay. I'm still loving this. Yeah, so that's how it came out, which I actually am excited about. And then because my paintbrush was also again missing, I went back to, no, at this time my paintbrush I had found my paintbrush, but it wasn't doing the job it was supposed to do, which was the splatter effect. So I had to go back to my primary school teachings and used a toothbrush for that splatter effect where you flick the toothbrush. So today was quite a challenge, which I am actually excited about because that's what I love about DIY. Everything doesn't go the way it has to, and because you're doing it yourself, you have to just manage to go through it. Like for this one, I started it out as white, then I put tape around it so that I could spray paint it gold and have two lines of gold and white. Then as I was removing the tape, I don't know, something just told me, just try and remove this tape and before you spray paint. So as I was removing the paint, the tape, the paint started peeling as well. So I don't know if you guys can see vizuri. There's that like it's peeled. Let me just show you from the inside. The paint peeled. Yeah, but I like it because now it looks like that's its effect. It looks like it has that peeling effect. So again, this was also because of necessity. So I just pre-painted it gold and then did the splatter on top. And then if you look, it's just because maybe this side of the camera doesn't show really well, but it has that peeling effect, which I like so much. Yeah, so still turned out good. Then this other one didn't give me that much problem. So I just spray painted it. I painted it white because I used a brush because I wanted I don't know if you guys can see, I wanted that stroke effect. And then I spray painted the bottom and then some of it spilling onto the top. That came out just how much I wanted it. And now as we talk, because I am touching undried paint, you can see my fingerprints everywhere. So I'll have to spray paint again on top of this. Like this DIY, I don't know. Today everything was just not going according to plan. But it's okay. As long as I came up with my desired end product, that's all that matters. So I have talked on for so long. Like I'm seeing it's going to 5 minutes. So sorry for that. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's head on over to the DIY. Hey guys, so today we are in my kitchen. So what you're going to do is try and cut this bottle of wine. So I have already removed some of the sticker. So what is going to happen is I'm just going to wash it and try and remove the rest of it so it's clean. So for this experiment or for this DIY, what you need is acetone. So that's the acetone. You need your matchstick, some yarn, and a container where you can put your acetone and dip your yarn into it. So let me just wash the bottle and I'll be right back. So guys, I have already washed the bottle. If you wash it with soapy water, it takes like a minute. It takes just a minute of scrubbing it down with soapy water. So what I'm going to do now is wrap some yarn around it. So you're just supposed to wrap it 3 times. You're supposed to make 3 rings with the yarn. So 1, 2, 3, and then close it off again. So once you have your 3 rings done, yeah, so you take your acetone and pour just a little amount. In your container, then take off the yarn and dip it in. Then just let it sit while on the other side you have some water with a block of ice. The ice was bigger, size of a container, ice cream container. So I just let it sit there and melt as I prepared everything. So you're supposed to have ice cold water. So this water is really cold. Your yarn has been sitting there for a while. Okay, not for a while, like a minute or 30 seconds. Then you're just gonna take it. Don't let it drip everything off. Then you put it back on to the bottle. Don't worry about the excess dripping. This is acetone, like it evaporates in seconds. Then that's pretty much it. So next you're just going to light your bottle. So this is my bottle and I've just lit it. So what you do is just take it round. Whoop, whoop. Perfect. Yay! So it's cut. It's cut the bottle. going to dispose of this. And then, so you'll notice right here it's not smooth. So what I'm going to do is, I guess, sand it down with a sandpaper. Try to get it as smooth as I can. So you're going to start with this rough type of sandpaper. So you see it's getting smoother. So you have to sand it on top, on the outside, and on the inside also, so that it's smooth all the way around and doesn't cut anyone. So guys, now that I have cleaned off everything, I want to decorate the jars. So I'm going to start off with a white base. So I'm just going to spray paint them white. Okay, so guys, I have done 2 coats for each, looking really nice and glossy. So now I just want to let them sit for about 1 hour and dry completely, because I still want to do something else on top of them. I'm not going to leave them plain white. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it might be all over the place, but because of my struggles, please subscribe. Just see that I go through so much, but I will end up finishing everything that I need to finish so that you guys can have a video at least. And yeah, so please subscribe, please share with your friends, comment. And please, if you guys end up doing this DIY, like, I know I am here to make videos for you guys, but I am here to also try and teach you something. And so I always want to see what you guys come up with. So if you do make this, please tag me on my Instagram so that I can see, at least so that I can know at least I have inspired one person somewhere to make something. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for coming. And yeah, I'll see you again next Wednesday. Thank you. Goodbye. With my dirty hand. Goodbye.